Well, Karunanidhi has taken on the centre, slamming Pallam Raju's statement on training of Lankan personnel, saying his statement has hurt the sentiments of people, has also demanded the PM's intervention. Remember, the MOS defence had said that the training of Sri Lankan personnel will continue. Let's go across to Vikram, who's joining us with more details. Vikram, now after the Chief Minister, Jayalalitha, the DMK chief also taking on the centre.
Well, indeed. First, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister had come out with a letter to the Prime Minister where she clearly said that these two defence personnel who are undergoing training at the Defence Staff College at Wellington need to be removed and sent back to the country. And this is definitely hurting the sentiments of the people. The DMK chief has now followed it up with a statement where he actually hits out of the centre and specifically hits out at the Pallam Raju statement that this kind of statement should not be made. The Prime Minister's intervention is required immediately, and this particular statement should be withdrawn, because what he also claims that there is a growing influence of China in Sri Lanka. In fact, China almost spent 6 times more than India, and he clearly says, how come India, an Indian minister is calling Sri Lanka a close friend, and this is, if at all it's friendship, it's only a one-sided friendship, is what the DMK chief is claiming. More political parties like the MDMK, led by its chief Vaikar, has also come out with a statement hitting out of the centre. But we'll have to wait and what is the reaction of the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, the government's reaction as of now. They've been keeping silent. Of course, they know that this kind of statement has been made by the Minister of State for Defence. We are expecting some kind of a statement from the Chief Minister's office anytime soon.
Stay with us, Vikram. Meanwhile, let's just listen into what the MOS Defence had said.
When there is resistance from local governments towards, and we have to take into consideration their sensitivity. But the training is an ongoing program, and that is what also strengthens our bilateral relationship.
Well, Vikram, it seems that the row over the statement only intensifying now, with the DMK chief also jumping in.
Well, indeed, it is definitely intensifying, because this is not the first time that the Sri Lankan personnel are being given training over here. Earlier, there were about 9 Lankan men who are being given at the Tambaram Air Force Station, who were actually sent back to a different state, to Karnataka, Bangalore, where they were undergoing training. Similarly, 2 other officers who were earlier taking training at the Defence Staff College in Wellington were also asked to leave. So this has been going on for quite some time. There is a space that is clearly in Tamil Nadu, where both the DMK chief and the Tamil Nadu chief are vying for that. They do want to actually call themselves and fight for the Tamil people. And that is one of the reasons why they're opposing the Lankan government directly, and also clearly saying that all these Lankan defence personnel should not be taking part any kind of training in Tamil Nadu.